Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Envestnet beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Envestnet website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information and financial details. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to understand where different features are located. Begin by linking your bank accounts to Envestnet for a comprehensive overview of your finances. Select the Add Accounts option and follow the prompts to securely connect your financial institutions. Once linked, Envestnet will automatically import your transaction history. Review the transactions to ensure everything is accurately categorized. Next, set up your budget categories based on your spending habits. Consider common categories like housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Assign a specific dollar amount to each category based on your income and expenditures. Utilize the platform's recommendation tools to help you optimize your budget. After setting your budget, track your spending regularly through the dashboard. Monitor any variances between your planned budget and actual spending. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate changing financial circumstances. Make use of Envestnet's reporting features to analyze your spending patterns over time. This analysis can help you identify areas for improvement in your financial habits. Finally, review your budget at the end of each month to assess your progress. Make necessary adjustments for the upcoming month to stay aligned with your financial goals. With consistent monitoring and adjustments, budgeting with Envestnet can lead you toward greater financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.